staple for any fabrication shop is a 20-inch disc sander. This one is the Baileigh DG-500. Now this is a floor stand model and it's made out of a heavy cast iron construction, durability, strength, etc. It has a 220 volt, 2 horsepower single phase motor. It takes quite a bit. This is a giant steel machine wheel, a lot of weight. A couple features I want to point out. The work table. The work table you can actually raise or lower. You might want to lower it if you're working on a larger piece of material. That's also how you access the sanding disc when you want to change it. But that's not all. You can also tilt the bed 30 degrees up or 45 degrees down. Let me show you a little hot tip here. This is 1/8-inch thick steel angle iron. Look at that nice radius I just made on there. Just that quick. For more information on this machine or any other disc sander we've got, it's easy. Just go to Baileigh.com.